Welcome to DgFee. Let's understand how to make a fee payment over the counter. Please click on the student you wish to make the fee payment for. Convenience fee is applicable for online payments, which differs according to the payment channels provided. Please select the payment channel of your preference. Over-the-counter payments need to be completed within the stipulated time. If payment is not made, it will be considered as a failed transaction. To make a fee payment, first click on Due Fees to view a list of all the pending payments. You have the option to select one or more fee payments. In this example, we have shown you that installment 3 and 4 have both been selected. In this case, we will be making a multiple fee payment. Once you have selected the number of fee payments you wish to complete, the total amount will get displayed at the bottom of the page. Remember we had talked about partial payment? That is here. You have the option to edit the total amount as per your convenience. Then click on Proceed to Pay. Soon after, the page will redirect to an online payment gateway. Select your preferred over-the-counter channel. Provide the correct registered mobile number or email address for the instructions to be received on your preferred mode of communication. Alternatively, you can simply click on the link View the instruction online, which is marked in blue. You will get a barcode and a reference number. You will also receive a payment pending notification along with a transaction ID for your reference. Here, the payment is considered as pending as the transaction is not yet complete. You will have to make the fee payment by following the instructions you may have received on your mobile or email. Please note that pending payments will be moved to the Payment History tab along with the status reflecting as pending. You will have the transaction details available for your reference purposes. Once you receive the instructions from your preferred OTC partner, kindly perform the necessary actions to complete the pending payment. Here is a sample of the instructions sent on your email or mobile. Once the payment is made, you will receive a payment completed notification along with all the relevant transaction reference details. That's it. The payment is now complete.